Is it time to buy or sell HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock? In this video, we are diving deep into HIMS and HERS Health Class A. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 4th of June 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 29th of April 2025, our system has ranked HIMS and HERS Health Class A as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.56. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 53% since we first listed HIMS and HERS Health Class A as a buy candidate 26 days ago. This translates to an average return of 2.04% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within the midst of a substantial and robust upward trend in the short term, and indications point toward further growth within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 74% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging between nearly 29% and 129%. When considering the long term, our analysis for the next 12 months projects a change of about 69%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a decline of 8% to an increase of 146% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $49.31 and $131.91. Our latest daily update for HIMS and HERS Health Class A includes the headline, Volatile Ride for HIMS and HERS Health Inc. Class A stock price on Wednesday, moving between $52.80 and $59.29. The HIMS and HERS Health Inc. Class A stock price fell by 2.05% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 4th of June, 2025, from $54.73 to $53.61. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 12.29%, ranging from a low of $52.80 to a high of $59.29. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 12.42% over this period. Trading volume also fell on the last day along with the stock, which is considered a good sign, as volume should typically follow the stock's movements. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 54 million shares, with a total of 58 million shares exchanged for approximately $3.1 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $72.98, while the lowest price was $13.47. Currently, the price is 26.54%, or $19.37, below the 52-week high of $72.98, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. HIMS and HERS Health is making significant strides in the digital health space with its recent acquisition of Zava, a notable European digital health platform. This deal opens up a market opportunity worth an estimated $52 billion, allowing HIMS to enhance its international footprint by launching services in Germany, France, and Ireland. Investor reactions have been mixed. Initially, the stock saw a 5.8% jump in pre-market trading following the announcement, but it has also faced moments of decline. Despite this volatility, the long-term outlook appears promising, particularly as HIMS continues to strengthen its personalized digital health offerings and broaden its customer base, which now includes over 1 million European users. In the short term, while the market's reaction may reflect skepticism, the overall strategic move should drive investor confidence as the company positions itself for future growth within the expanding telehealth industry. Growth in international markets can bolster revenues, reflecting positively on stock performance. In contrast, any uncertainty about integration or execution of this acquisition could weigh on the stock in the near term. As HIMS navigates this growth trajectory, addressing these challenges effectively could significantly enhance its market valuation over time, particularly as digital health solutions continue to gain traction globally. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 4th of June 2025, it was reported that Needham assigned HIMS a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of June 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned HIMS a sell grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 22nd of May 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned HIMS a hold grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 7th of May 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned HIMS a hold grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned HIMS a mixed grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for HIMS and HERS Health, Class A. The HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated, Class A stock currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Because the short-term average is above the long-term average, this suggests a general buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive forecast. If the stock experiences further gains, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $54.40. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will likely find support from the long-term average around $46.08. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will prompt a sell signal. Additionally, some negative signals have been issued that could affect the near-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, May 16, 2025, and the stock has since decreased by 17.08%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal 13 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal 93 days ago, short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal 27 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 25 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 3 days ago, the long-term moving average, buy signal 27 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 18 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you are looking for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for HIMS and HERS Health, Class A. HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated, Class A finds support from accumulated volume at $52.35. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock tends to fluctuate significantly throughout the day and exhibits a wide prediction interval based on the Bollinger Band, marking it as high risk. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $6.49 between its high and low, which represents a change of 12.29%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 11.38%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for HIMS and HERS Health, Class A, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 4th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 17 cents. It is important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for HIMS and HERS Health, Class A. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for HIMS and HERS Health, Class A, is at $54.73. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, HIMS and HERS Health, Class A, encounters its first support level at $52.35. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for HIMS and HERS Health, Class A, from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Okupe Oluyemi, who bought and sold 30,892 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 17.028. In total, insiders acquired 2,013,206 shares and sold 1,451,945 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $50.26, which represents a decline of 6.24%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 12 days ago. Is HIMS and HERS Health, Class A stock, a good buy? Several short-term indicators, coupled with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may represent a buying opportunity. There is a significant chance for HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated, Class A stock, to perform well in the near future. Our analysis has been upgraded since the last evaluation, changing the recommendation from a hold accumulate to a buy candidate. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 5th of June, we anticipate that HIMS and HERS Health, Class A, will open higher by $1.62, starting at $55.23. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.